Man feels lonely and wishes for companionship. He decides to adopt a monkey. Monkey is playful and loves the man's warmth. They bond over daily routines and adventures. Man teaches monkey tricks, monkey brings joy. Together, they explore nature, laughter echoes. The bond grows stronger with each passing day. They share meals, stories, and sweet moments. The monkey learns to mimic human gestures. Their friendship transcends words and species. Neighbors notice the unique pair. They're amazed. Man is happier, feels less lonely with monkey. Community embraces the bond, curious and kind. Monkey becomes a local celebrity, beloved. Their story inspires others to seek companionship. Together, man and monkey enrich each other's lives.